Planning a trip to the Congo? Here are key things to remember to make your journey safe, smooth, and unforgettable. First, entry requirements. Make sure your passport has at least 6 months validity. Check the visa rules for your nationality and get your visa before the trip. Next, health and vaccinations. Speak with a travel clinic about the recommended vaccinations: yellow fever, typhoid, hepatitis A and B, and malaria prevention. Then, safety and security. Some regions in Congo can have heightened risks. Stay informed, follow local authority advice, and avoid traveling at night. Don't forget, local customs and culture. Learn a few local greetings, dress modestly, ask for permission before taking photos. Also, transport and infrastructure. Road conditions can be challenging in remote areas. Consider hiring a reputable local guide or driver. Then there's currency and banking. The official currency is the Congolese franc. Carry cash in smaller denominations since ATMs may be few in remote places. Bringing a debit credit card is wise. Don't miss respect for nature and wildlife. Congo is rich in nature. When you visit national parks or protected areas, follow the rules. Climate and packing matter. Congo has tropical and equatorial climates. Pack light, breathable clothing, comfortable shoes, rain gear, insect repellent, and a basic first aid kit. Finally, communication. Internet and mobile coverage may be limited in some areas. Look into local SIM cards or international roaming. With these essentials covered, your trip to the Congo can be enriched, safe, and truly memorable.